V. Campbell. Today we will learn about the very important topic for the examination. Because of in this topic different types of mathematical formula given and this formula useful for the solving example. So first start with the find out the nearest neighboring distance D, second radius and third edge length of the unit cell. On the basis of these three, first discuss on the simple cubic. In the simple cubic, all atom present on the corner like this. All atom present on this corner. This corner atom are attached to each other, means touch each other. So its distance, this known as the A and B atom, and this is the edge length A. So we find out the first nearest neighbor distance. This is the neighboring atom because of the in this realistic it is the touch each other. So its distance D. We can find D is equal to A into B. This distance AB is equal to edge length A. So nearest neighbor distance D is equal to A, means edge length and D distance is same. Then find out the radius R. R means D by 2. Diameter D by 2. That means A by 2. So simple cubic D is equal to A, edge length same as the distance and radius R is equal to D by 2. Face center cubic. In the face center cubic, 3 atoms 1, 2, 3 on the face diagonal. We find out the nearest neighboring atom distance. This is first nearest neighbor distance. In this 1, 2, 3, this is the diagonal. These two are neighboring distance and these two are also neighboring distance. But we also have value of the only edge length. So how to find out this value? First, numbering A, B and C. 3 atom A, B, C. And its edge length A. We find out this distance or this distance. How to find out? First ABC, triangle ABC. On the Pythagoras, is triangle ABC is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. On the value AB is equal to edge length A and BC is equal to also A. So A square plus A square. AC square is equal to 2A square. Then AC is equal to under root 2A square means under root 2A. AC value is equal to under root 2A. Total this value is under root 2A. But we find out this two distance means half of this. So AC by 2 is equal to under root 2A by 2. This value distance D. We can say that this distance D because of the AC by 2 is equal to D. D value answer is equal to under root 2A by 2 is equal to D. Then find out the R value. R is equal to D by 2. Under root 2 by A by 2. Under root 2 is equal to A by 2 root 2 is equal to R value. And next body centered cubic. In the body centered cubic, 3 atoms 1, 2, 3 diagonal of this body and touch each other. So we find out this distance or this distance because of this atom and this atom touch each other. So find out the nearest neighbor distance D. How to find out nearest neighbor distance D? On the basis of the previous example, face center, we find out the AC distance. On the same way, we find out AC distance. AC means triangle ABC is equal to mean AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. On the AB square and BC square, edge length A. A square plus AC. Then AC is equal to 2A square and AC under root 2A. So its value under root 2A. This triangle, this value under root 2A. But we find out this distance. So also select another triangle. This name R. So ARC, triangle ARC. This value given AC under root 2A. This value also same as the edge length A. So find out the AR. AR square is equal to AC square plus CR square. AC square value under root 2A. Under root 2A square plus CR value A square. Under root 2A square means 2A square plus A square is equal to 3A square. So AR value is 3A square. AR square value 3A square. AR value is under root 3A. AR is the distance. Then find out the AR value. We find out this 2. This is the D. Half of this AR is equal to D. AR by 2 is equal to under root 3A by 2. Give the value D. Nearest neighboring distance is under root 3A by 2. Then find out the radius. Radius R is equal to D by 2. This is the under root 3A into 2 into 2 is equal to under root 3A by 4. This R value is under root 3A by 4. This is all about the simple cubic, face center cubic and body center cubic. How to remember this value? Cubic, face center and body center. The D is equal to 2R. Only remember D is equal to 2R. In the cubic, 2R is equal to A. In the FCC, 2R is equal to A by under root 2. And BCC, 2R is equal to under root 3A by A. So we find out the R value. R is equal to A by 2. R is equal to A by 2 under root 2. And R is equal to root 3 by 4A. So find this way. Remember D is equal to 2R and only this 3 value. It's used we find out the R value. Thank you.